In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an arrow in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to point something out in a document, create a diagram, or make your page easier to understand, adding an arrow is quick and easy once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look to the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This will open a new blank document where you can add your arrow. Now that your Writer document is open, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Shape. This is where LibreOffice keeps its drawing tools and object options. Once you hover over Shape, a new menu will appear with different categories. Next, move your cursor to Arrows. You'll see a variety of arrow styles available, so take a moment to choose the one that best fits your document. You can select a simple arrow, a block arrow, or another style depending on what you need. After selecting the arrow style, go back to your document page. Click and drag on the page to draw the arrow. As you drag, you'll see the shape appear, and you can make it as large or as small as you want. If the arrow doesn't look perfect the first time, don't worry, you can always adjust it. Once the arrow is inserted, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corner handles. You can also move it around the page by clicking and dragging the shape to a new position. This makes it easy to place the arrow exactly where you want it in your document. If you need to change the direction or style later, you can click the arrow and use the formatting options available in LibreOffice Writer. That way, you can customize it to fit your layout and make your document look more polished and professional. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert an arrow in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know the steps, you can use arrows anytime you want to highlight information or guide the reader's attention. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.